Hello my friends. Well, this is the lunch that I'm cooking. I just finished cooking. I shut it off and then let it rest for a little while, for a few minutes. But this chicken, I marinated this chicken since yesterday. And you can use the seasoning that you prefer. I usually do the same thing: garlic, onion powder, and salt, pepper, and then I cook the onions with the mushrooms and let it cook, and then I added the chicken. As you can see, it's just beautiful and it smells great. So I'm going to have this amazing chicken, mushroom, garlic, onion mix with a little sweet potato and my favorite veggies, broccoli and cauliflower. So I marinated the chicken for at least since yesterday, like I said. Cook the onions, saute the onions with the garlic, fresh garlic, first onion, and the mushrooms. And then you add the chicken, let it cook, and then also fresh parsley. If you like cilantro, the little green things that you see are capers and cilantro and parsley, but you can use anything you like. So the point is to have meals that are easy to cook, healthy for your muscle, for your bones, and keeps you vibrant and ageless. I just can't wait to have this amazing. Oh my God, the flavor is divine. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Love you. Have fun. Veggies, chicken with a little sweet potato, mushroom, onion, garlic, and enjoy your life. Pow.